There everyone, I still remain Mr. Ruben Official. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to download verified JAMB syllabus. All you just have to do is type www.jamb.gov.ng space ibase. You load the page. You will see the first one, syllabus system ibase. You click on it. You will see brochure, E-Syllabus and processes. You click at E-Syllabus. You will see all the related topics you need to do. You will see agriculture, Arabic, art, biology, chemistry, Christian religious knowledge, commerce, and computer science. Any one of them you need. For example, let's download chemistry. You click on chemistry. You can now download it now. When it has loaded, let's wait for it. It's loading, loading. So now you can see the complete detailed syllabus for chemistry. You can view it now. If you want at the PDF, you can also download it. Look at the complete syllabus of chemistry. Thanks.